Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera or capture source resolution and frame rate so OBS won't upscale or downscale unexpectedly. Once done, open Settings and go to Video to set base and output resolution to match your source. Next, head to Output and pick an encoder. Use hardware NVENC if available for less CPU load. Otherwise, use X264, but set a proper bitrate. Make sure encoder presets and rate control are usable for your hardware before continuing. Now you tune the encoder and bitrate to stop blocky compression. Set rate control to CBR for streaming or choose VBR for local recordings. For 1080p aim for 4500 to 8000 kbps and scale up for faster motion. Set keyframe interval to 2 seconds and select Profile, High to ensure efficient compression. If recording high-quality video, enable 2-pass or increase bitrate. If using X264, pick a CPU preset like Faster to balance. Finish by setting the output downscale filter to Lanczos for the cleanest scaling when you change resolution. Run a short local recording or stream to a private channel and check bitrate stats and dropped frames in OBS. These tell you whether bandwidth or hardware caused pixelation. If you still see artifacts, increase the bitrate, lower the encoder preset load, or switch to hardware encoding. One troubleshooting tip: if frames are dropping, reduce frame rate slightly or close background apps to free resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.